Now we shall start with rivers and drainage system. We need to remember few terms in here, starting with drainage basin, right? Adjacent basin. So what is drainage basin? So drainage basin, it includes the whole pathway of the flow of the river and also its tributaries. This will be your river flow plus tributaries as a whole, right? And then we get adjacent basins. So what is your adjacent basin? Easy to remember will be, suppose this is a river drainage basin, right? This is another river drainage basin. So the hills in between, which will divide the two rivers, will be your adjacent basin. There is often a hill or a ridge dividing two river basins. Now, drainage basin is also known as your catchment area. Catchment, catchment basin, or water basin. All of this means the same thing. It's just your river and its tributaries. Now there are two types of drainage basin. Firstly, we have our exoraic. Secondly, endoaic. So what are these two types of river basins, right? When a river drains into an ocean, endoaic is when a river drains into a lake or a pond. Lake or a swamp. So what will be the example of exoraic? Our river Brahmaputra, river Indus. These rivers flows into an ocean, right? Now we will learn about drainage pattern. So drainage pattern has been asked in CDS and NDA multiple times. It's a recurring question, so just try to pay attention here. Suppose right, Suppose this is an river. This is another river joining the main river. This is a river joining in at 90 degree, and this is running parallel to it. Right? Few things which will be asked here. Consequent. So whenever you find the word consequent, this is this river. So there will be words like main, flow, original flow, or general slope. Whenever you find words like main flow, original flow, or general slope, rest assured the answer will be consequent river flow. Right? Now subsequent. Subsequent is this river. Subsequent. The words here will be your joining the main river. Joining main river. Right? Then this we get obsequent. Obsequent. The only thing to remember in obsequent is that it joins subsequent at 90 degree. So whenever you find the word 90 degree, rest assured just stick it at obsequent, you will get your marks. Then we get resequent. So this is a resequent. The word to remember here is it runs parallel to consequent. Right? Is this clear? Subsequent will be your main flow, original flow, or general slope. Resequent will be your parallel to the consequent. Subsequent will be joining the main river. Obsequent will be 90 degree angle. Right? Now we'll come to common patterns of drainage. Things to remember here are whenever the word, so there is this kind of a pattern. So this will be your, the word here will be tree like. Tree like. Answer will always be dendritic. Whenever we find the word tree like, it will be dendritic. Then suppose this is your a source, water flows outwards. River starts like this flowing outwards. So whenever the word outwards, it will be your radial. Radial. Now we have inwards. Suppose this is a lake, water comes from all directions and falls and converge. It can be converge or mix. It will be your centripetal. Suppose this is a river, tributaries are joining in at 90 degree. So this will be your, whenever the words written joining at 90 degree, answer will be rest assured trellis. Trellis. Tree like will be a dendritic, outwards radial, converges or meets will be your centripetal, and whenever it's 90 degree, it will be your trellis. We also have angular annular, rectangular, or deranged. Angular will be tributaries, join at acute angle, right? Annular will be circular pattern, circular pattern. Rectangular will be your streams, bend at right angle, right? Or you can say right angle. Deranged will be your, there is no patterns. It will be uncoordinated pattern, right? These are the another drainage patterns. We have angular, tributaries join at acute angle, annular circular pattern, rectangular will be a right angle, and deranged will be an uncoordinated pattern. It flows without any such in a pattern or in an ordered manner.